Hello，大家好，这里是汤雅，欢迎回到我的频道。今天这是一篇要去冰岛的 vlog。自从看了《花儿与少年》之后，就特别向往去冰岛。今天会有5个人，我们一起前往冰岛。由于这次跟我一起去冰岛的朋友们都只会说英语，所以说后面我就会都是全程英语的 vlog 了。那我们冰岛见。
Since it's a short flight, so we decided to eat at the airport before we go on the plane.
Say hi to Ella.
Hi Ella.
La fanfare frémit au carrefour de ta forme.
That's why I cut mine in half. So smart. Hello everyone, we're on the plane right now. We have really tight space. As you can tell, that's the only amount of space we got right here. Now we're on the bus and we're going to the Blue Lagoon now. We're here, guys. It smells like boiled eggs. Yeah.
A few minutes later.
The sea. Cornish, put your phone down. Put your phone down. Oh,
Et quand tu briseras ta cage, on ira à la fois, on tournera la page et tu serreras mon corps, on partira à la
3. Cheers!
on aura la mer à boire, tu manques pas de courage, alors viens jouer dehors. Et quand tu briseras ta cage,
Our first new cat.
It's a nice Atlantic cat, guys. It doesn't respond to English.
I know.
Everybody asking how we doing.
Messy dropping phone, now it's turning grey. We hope it's gonna recover by itself within a few minutes. Rip phone.
Why revolved around my life after I found another guy? People get so caught up thinking they know everything, but little do they know you.
Hi guys! We're just city walking in the city right now.
Just fun and games, so caught up in the past, they acting like a bunch of lames. Ain't got nothing on me, these people do not faze me. Enjoying every moment, ain't worried about who's in it. I'm growing every day, everything's gonna be okay. As long as I got my shit together, they gon' see me doing better. Ain't got nothing on me,
Ollie's girlfriend right here. So cute. Blue sheep from another store, and I come into the store and I see other more cute sheep.
Oh my god, Tanya, that's such a you hat. That is such a you hat.
The pink one?
No, the purple.
No, thank you.
Really? Really?
No, I don't want it. But I can't go in.
Do you want? Oh, you can't go in.
I want to go in.
Oh, whoa.
They're here, I told you. That's crazy. Right?
These people do not faze me, enjoying every moment, ain't worried about who's in it. I'm growing every day, everything's gonna be okay. As long as I got my shit together, they gon' see me doing better. Ain't got nothing on me, these people do not faze me, enjoying every Ain't got nothing on me, on me, on me. Ain't got nothing on me, on me.
Memphis.
We're here after 25 minutes of vlogging. We're arrived at Apple Store to rescue Nancy's phone.
Remember about Nancy's phone? It's actually broken.
My phone, it went green. It went like the whole screen went green.
Okay.
And now it's just black.
Here, store closed at 5, and it's exactly 5. So Nancy probably got a bad new phone.
I was walking in the woods one day, trying to keep the ghosts at bay. Then I thought
Hi everyone, now we are heading toward to our Northern Light tour. You're in the dark. Exciting! Hopefully we can see the Northern Light tonight. Guys, bad news. We were just back from the Northern Light bus tour and unfortunately there's no Northern Light. Our voucher is good for next 4 years, so we can reschedule in the next 4 years. But yeah, unfortunate. No Northern Light today. Bad news, guys. The snorkeling got cancelled today because of this raining weather. We emailed them to reschedule for Saturday if that's possible. So hopefully snorkeling is still a thing on our bucket list that we can do while we're in Iceland. Otherwise, no Northern Light, no snorkeling. What a bummer.
Day 2. Hi, Ella.
I thought I saw the car you drive, but it was.
Oh, I caught that on the film.
That's why you had to move away. When people ask, that's what I say, but they know I'm lying. I don't know who lives in these houses, but you still live inside of my head. You didn't leave me.
2, 3, cheers! Nancy's getting her iPhone 11.
Can you get more American words?
Would be one. Check this one out. Yep. The iPhone 11.
Guys, we're heading to Golden Circle now.
Peninsula down there to the Blue Lagoon and all that area. This is part of the newest addition to Iceland Drill.
Yeah. That's a big one. Oh! Oh wait. You got one. Oh my god.
There's a splash zone here. That's so funny.
Hi, Alum! This is Post Geyser.
Yeah, post geyser.
Searching for something that ain't lost. While wishing for something better.
Video? Yeah.
I try to fix things, but we're broken. Misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what
Alcoholic Nancy. Chug it. Chug, chug, chug.
ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay.
Bread and butter, please. Oh, geez, that's like I didn't think it was gonna be wet. That's how it was gonna be like.
Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken